Hi, welcome back to another episode of Minutes with Mandy. I'm Mandy, and we're going to answer some more lighting frequently asked questions for you today. So pay attention, and hopefully we answer some of yours. What kind of accessories will I need to plug my LED rope strip lights in? So for 120 volt rope lights, we call them a plug and play. That means any spool or custom cut that you get will have a power cord with inline rectifier pre-installed as well as an end cap. We also offer weatherproofing. So for an additional $7.99, we weatherproof it here at our warehouse for you, and you're covered. So if you're using them outdoors, take advantage of that, or if you want to do it yourself, use the weatherproofing kits that we provide. Strongly recommended to use the ones that we sell, which is what I showed you, this thing. It's $2.99, and it protects your investment, and it lengthens the length of your light's lifetime. Everything that you need on a spool to plug it in and use them is included. This does not include mounting hardware. Yes, some spools may come with it. That's not intentional, but we do try to catch it when that happens. It's not standard. It does not standard come with mounting clips or mounting track. That is something that you need to purchase separately. So to hang the lights, you'll have to purchase that. To plug the lights in and see what they look like, that all is included with the 120 volt lights. Now with the 12 volt, it's a little different because there's different transformers for different applications. The max run length on a 12 volt light, most of ours anyways, is about 20 feet. We sell them in 16.4 foot spools. They are not available in larger spools or smaller spools. So you'll have to get the 16.4 foot spool regardless, and you'll have to select the correct transformer for you and your application in order to have adequate power. Okay? So everything is plug and play aside from the 12 volt linear lights. Thanks for spending some minutes with me. I'm Mandy, and have a great rest of your day.